If you guys already didn't know, I signed up for my first boxing match next month. And a month seems still pretty far away, but there's loads of work that needs to get done. My footwork, explosiveness, keeping the distance, and keeping my hands up. And in this video today, I'll just be taking you guys along for the journey, so hopefully you guys enjoy. So far, it was a beautiful morning, but the clouds came creeping in, not able to tan properly how we want to, but what we have planned for the rest of today, we just have some sparring, but I do want to let you guys know that when we did wake up, we got a $300 or $3,000 sale that came in the door, which means $300 commission straight into our pockets. So that means today, we're basically living for free, chilling by the pool, going to sparring, training for our boxing fight. And yeah, I mean, it seems like a pretty great day so far. Got some money in the door, already did some jump ropes and push-ups. Although the sun isn't quite shining how we'd want it to, we still have a very great day planned ahead of us, so I'll see you guys on the way to boxing. Alright, round one, we're going against Paul. He owns the box or promotes it, I'm not quite sure. But as you can already see, my footwork, it's not 100% where it needs to be. Head movement's okay, but as you can see, I'm kind of getting shuffled up with my feet, not being able to have them fully under me for, where I want to move, when I want to move there. So as you can see, my hands aren't up, getting hit in the face, losing a few brain cells, a few good moves, a few jabs, but still. The footwork isn't where it needs to be, as you just saw right there, getting crossed up once again. Not very good, but we'll get that improved very greatly, very shortly. And then again, I still haven't learned my lesson, keeping my hands down. Not very good for the brain. Getting hit in all sorts of different areas of the brain, losing too many brain cells too quickly. Oh yeah, and he was asking me if I had my mouth guard in, and I don't. And then the coach here, he was just basically telling me to keep my feet apart, my hands up, keep throwing jabs, work it up with the combo. And I was taking it in, but still, I'd already lost too many brain cells, wasn't really quite taking in exactly what he was telling me. But pretty much, to sum up what he was telling me, was that I just need to keep my feet spaced apart, and then I just need to keep working the jab and throwing some combos.
Ryan, how you feeling, bro?
I feel pretty hot.
First round interview. First round interview.
I need to lose more brain cells.
Now for round two, we're going to be sparring my newly found friend, Ivan. He's from Russia, been sparring his whole life. He's a perfect sparring partner for training for my fight because he's like the exact same weight class as me at the moment. Both like 87, 86 kg, whatever that is in pounds. But yeah, hands are still not completely up most of the time. Footwork is getting a little bit better as we move on into the rounds. Getting him a few times. I'm not sure how he's wearing that super long sleeve t-shirt in the Bangkok heat. Props to him. As we can see here, getting some head movement in, weaving a little bit, dodging a few punches. Can't dodge them all though. Got him a few times with the jab. The head movement's good. Footwork still, I'm not on the heels on my feet most of the time, so I'm like staying flat-footed, which is not good. I'm not able to be as mobile as you need to be. Being able to move around where you want to go. Get a nice few jabs. Getting a few good ones in. Nice little weave.
I gotta stay more loose on the feet.
Yeah, bro.
I'm getting tightened up.
Yeah.
Can't
the
need a
same
snus.
problem. I look at the same problem in Muay Thai. He's being shifty, you know. More snus.
I need more snus. Mucho caliente.
He's bilingual, guys.
Now on to round 3. Back with Yvonne again, just because there's not that many people there, so we just kept going at it. Same thing as last time, you know, my left hand was mostly down most of the time, which I need to improve on greatly. Got a few body shots, you know, good head movement still. Got me cornered, which means I need to keep my distance. I need to take note on that. Nice body shot, nice head shot. Back up.
I think we lost 1/6 brain cells. We need to get to at least half.
Following that with round 4, I'm not sure who this guy's name is, but he was pretty cool. I think both of our endurance was running out near the end of this round, but yeah, good face shot by him. Moving in, jab, attack gloves, jab, body shot. Hitting him good right here, but he got me good in a second, I believe. Yep. Gotta keep the distance with the jab, he got too close. Nice little head movement right there. Gotta stay light on the feet. That's the biggest thing I need to work on. Although I did run 13 kilometers a few days ago, so I'm still a little bit sore from that. I haven't ran that much in a long time. Nice few jabs right there. He got me back though. Good work. Jab, body jab, jab. Nice little combo. I need to work on some hooks, some uppercuts. I'm only using 2 moves right now, so it's not very good. But yeah, good round. A little bit of dance off right here. Got to feel the vibe, stay loose, relax, sabai. Now round 5, back with Yvonne. I'm gonna throw some more jabs here. He's gonna throw a little bit more. I'm just gonna try to keep the endurance up, keep throwing punches, and just try to get in the best shape I can. Nice few jabs. Oh, he got me good right there. Lost at least 20 brain cells there, and that's why my chin is still sore while I'm making this video right now. He got a nice little uppercut right there. Nice little jab. Stepping in, stepping out, head movement, good. Footwork, I'm still flat on the heels, as you can see, so I'm not able to be as light as I need to be in order to maneuver around these punches. Yeah, get him body shot, jab, cross, back, front, there we go, jab. Good weave by him. Moving in, moving out. Oh, he got me cornered. Gotta keep my distance. Oh, I cornered him. Oh, the rules have reversed. Got back out of that into the center. Right here, I blew some snot on my glove on accident. I was breathing out my nose, just went everywhere. It's a complete disaster. Both laughed it off, kept going. It was absolutely disgusting. Good round, Yvonne. Good round. Round 6, jab, setting it up, moving in, moving out. Got me cornered. Got to keep the distance, Ryan. Not really good. Good body shot, jab. Started doing some Mike Tyson shit right here. I didn't know what to do. Got me good. I didn't know where to hit him. He was moving too fast. Getting some jabs in still. Still couldn't get any clear shots. It's moving too quick for my brain to process. We reset. Back in the game. Body shot. Nice. 2 jabs. Moving in. Jab. Good head movement. As you can see, the footwork, I'm not like fully balanced, which isn't good. I need to work on being more kind of sat down on my legs. Good weave, good body jab. Nice little cross hook, whatever that's called. Not sure what the terms are 100% quite yet, but we're still getting there. Nice little back off, good body shot. Both getting a little bit tired here, so we're just pushing through. Almost the end of the round. Come on, Ryan and Yvonne, keep pushing. Nice round again. We got a few more. All right, round 7, last but not least. Got to give it your best the very last round. Moving in, giving it all we have. Leaving it all on the floor, which is good for both of us. Jabbing, moving around, losing as many brain cells as we can so that way we can get drunk completely naturally. And moving in, good jab. Not so much good footwork, but we're going to work on that. Nice jab. Good double jab. Very good. Body shot, back up out of there. Ooh, that one hurt. That just made me spit out my snus. Alright, nice body. Oh, he got me in the body as well. Oof, if that one landed, I would have went to sleep in that Buddha. Oof, same with that one. Not good. Good head movement there. Got me out of that situation. Good setup by both of us. Good jab. Almost got me there as well. Ooh, he got me that time. Lost 30 brain cells that time. Oh my gosh, 40 brain cells depleted out of the drain. Good final round, Yvonne.
Alright guys, we're in a fire sparring session. First time we've sparred in this fight camp, so got a lot of brain damage, so we're gonna need to recover with a nice little snus in the upper deck. Jared, what are you in the mood to go eat? It's time to go refuel.
I'm thinking some fried chicken, American food, Thai food if you want. I don't mind.
I'm down for American food. I just thought you'd like the Thai culture, but
Yeah, bro, I'm over Thai food, honestly.
yeah, what we need to work on in particular is our footwork, keeping the distance, and head movement, and explosiveness. So we're gonna be working on that the next few weeks. So hopefully by the time October 14th comes around, we have everything dialed where it needs to be in order to get the victory royale. Fire sparring today, trained, footwork. Playing some golf now at the golf simulator across the street. Got an hour for like a few $100 bucks, so absolute cheat code. Rom hit the ball 65 miles an hour.
Ram, that tee's way too low. Let's change it. That's why you're topping it. You don't remember that's way too low for a driver. Yeah, can we put the big one, the normal one?
Just normal? What about this?
No, just the normal one's fine. The big one.
Brain cells are depleted to zero.
It's off ball. But right in front of you.
Alright, the golf skills are level 0, which means the only way to go from here is up.
Well, this might pick that up.
Yeah.
Was that juicy? Mmm.
That's his favorite, huh?
Wow, stop, bro. Wait, you don't need a tee, but it's alright. That's fine.
Alright, this is for real this time.
Real time. Full swing, but not hard, just chill. That was it. A little bit toppy, but that was better. So what we can see is your backswing again. Your backswing's good. It was just like, you're almost like doing baseball. You see that? It's like, like bam.
Baseball genetics.
But the backswing's good, bro.
I think it's just I need to drive it. It's like bigger.
Yeah. This is the first time we use a driver, actually.
Yeah. Ah, that feels so much better.
Yeah.
Tiger Woods.
Let's see it. Are none of these shots counting for you? We've not even seen one count. Let's see one count, bro. Why are you not counting? Did Ram fuck it when he broke the machine?
Yeah, I'm just hitting it too good.
Maybe, but why is it not counting? You try? Because you would normally be able to see that.
Alright, that one was actually.
Yeah. Oh, there you go. Yeah, there you go. You warmed up, you ready for the match?
Yeah.
I time you 2 shots, and then we'll do a match.
We're about to do a 2v2. Rom and I versus Tanya and Jake. We're gonna catch a dub, right, Rom?
Yeah, let's get this done.
Let's get it. Easy dub. Alright, Rom's going first. He's gonna send us home first swing.
You want to really hit like 200, you got yourself 125 in. Anything straight is fine. Oh, nice, bro. You can't play it.
Beautiful.
Right? That'll work.
Look at it go.
Nice, bro. That'll work. That's fucking perfect.
Ah, Mr. Dean.
Welcome.
Yeah.
Good day, sir.
Nice. Okay. That was straight, but Ram's a little bit further, so you'll take his.
We are +7, and Tanya and Jake are at E.
That's good. I like that.
Wait, Jake, how down are we right now?
You're +7, we're level par, and I'm playing with a big handicap. So,
So we're losing by 7. We can come back still, right?
there's no chance. Let's see how Dean can do here. Oh. So what you did there is you hit too high. Do you know what I mean? You topped it.
How did it feel to lose?
Well, why are you lying to the viewers, bro?
Huh?
Why are you lying to the viewers?
All right, we had a draw, unfortunately.
Why are you lying to the viewers?
We lost by 8, 9.
You lost by 9 and 4 holes.
But truly, it wasn't over.
Really, we had to do a draw.
We had to leave. They closed. So it was technically a draw.
What's this video
We could have
called?
came back. POV. You're training for your boxing fight in Thailand or something like that.
Okay. So really, you've done the exact opposite of training for your boxing fight.
I mean, I'm working on the hips with golf.
True. You had a hardcore bodybuilding workout, which is probably terrible for you.
Yeah.
So I'm guessing you
How old were
have.
you when you got your first?
It's net negative.
Yeah. You're gonna win your fight.
Oh yeah.
What's
It's
the
already
forfeit?
been won.
What's the forfeit if you lose?
The forfeit?
Yeah.
I have to start test cycle.
You're gonna need to. After
Yeah, I'm gonna need to. The test will be like 200 if I lose.
Oh. Yeah, we won't respect you. No.